Hello all, this is JP with the Gatemaster company, and we have just installed this CSL-24 over here. It was replacing the older Elite Series SL-3000, which does not have a battery backup. I'm going to demonstrate how to release this in case of a power outage longer than a few days or so. Once the batteries are depleted, so you go ahead and you hit the disconnect switch, which is on the front, and I will go ahead and demonstrate in case you have to get your vehicle out. Simply push it open. And pull on out. You could close it by hand, or once power comes back on, you hit the remote. So if you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call at 1-844-440-4283. Thank you.